Now let's look at the application of definite integrals. Now we have to find the area under the curve, okay? That is y equals to x squared from x equals to 0 to x equals to. Okay, now before that, there's the question. Let's understand what is meant by a graph of x squared, okay? So let's sketch that. Okay, now when we have y equals to x squared plus 1, okay, so the curve will pass through 1, okay, so we have 1 here, so to pass through 1, so y equals to x squared minus 1, so that one to pass through the negative 1, okay. But the question is, okay, x squared, so it means x squared plus 0, okay. Let me indicate my 0 here. So the curve will pass through the origin this way, okay. Now let's label this side well. So we have 0, okay, so we have 1, okay, 1, we have 2. Now we are interested in this, so this is x, okay, for the x, so the labeling we have 0 to 2, so from here to here, okay. All right, so this side, so the area here is what we are after, okay, from this side up to this side, okay. So we want to find the area under this curve, okay. So since this one is a typical application of definite integral, so we start from here, integral of, okay, so the limits 0 to 2, okay, and we have this one is y equals to x squared, so we have y dx. So from here, since y is x squared, we now go ahead and then we take our definite integral, okay, we have x squared dx. So this one is very simple, we just integrate this one, so integral of x squared, so let's do the integration, we'll add and subtract. When we're given x, integral of x to the power n dx is simply x to the power n plus 1 on n plus 1 plus c, okay. So this one will be x cube over 3, okay, then we plug in the limits 0 to 2. So from here, x cube on 3, so this side will be 2 to the power 3 on 3, okay, minus, so we do same the lower, this is the lower limit, we are done with the upper limit, so 0 cube on 3, so this side will be 8 on 3 minus 0, so which will be 8 on 3 squared units. So this is the area under this curve, okay, that's that. So that's the curve, okay, from 0 to 2 side. All right, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.